Good afternoon and welcome to today's quarterly report with Upsales. With me on link this time I have the CEO Daniel Wikberg. Welcome, Daniel.
Thank you.
So you guys have decided to switch language to English. Does this have something to do with any intentions to expand internationally?
Yeah, I mean, we are doing the UK expansion. But I mean, even ever since we did the IPO a few years back, we've had a lot of interest from international investors, and this interest has been increasing over time. So that's the reason why we decided to do this.
I understand. Let's take a look at the numbers. The ARR continues to increase. This quarter, ARR landed at 120 million, a growth of nearly 30%, while the EBITDA decreased to 5.6 million compared to 6.5. What are your thoughts on the numbers, Daniel?
So we are happy to continue to grow with profitability, and we saw an continued acceleration in terms of revenue growth. So we've also had we have lower margins as we communicated previously. Mainly due to we moved actually our head office, so we had a lot of investments and cost related to that, and we expect margins to improve over the year. However, we expected the margins to be slightly lower than they turned out to be. So we are quite happy with Q1.
Great to hear. Overall, how has the quarter been?
Yeah, it's been a good start of the year. So, I mean, it was a new all-time high in absolute numbers in ARR growth. So we continue to bring in a lot of new customers, and we continue to expand existing customers. And the trend we've seen for quite some time now with lower churn is also continuing. So yeah, all in all, we're quite happy with what we achieved in the first quarter.
Let's talk about your developments in the UK. How has your product been received over there?
Yeah, so we've been pursuing the UK market now for a little bit more than a year. And one important decision we made quite early was to invest a lot of time and money in the product, to build the best integrations and integrate with the best data sources, to make sure that we have a kick-ass competitive offering for UK customers. And the feedback we get is really good from both existing and the new customers. So yeah, we think we are in a very good position in terms of the UK.
Speaking about your product, during the quarter you've released a couple of new features. Which one are you most excited about?
Yeah, so I think what we're doing in terms of reporting and also the features related to growing existing accounts, those are very exciting. So our customers now are able to use the data they have in their ERP or their invoicing software to find new opportunities and to find new leads. Within a matter of minutes. So it's quite a unique thing we've built, and the feedback is really good from the customers.
Is customer success something that you're focusing on right now, or what is your main focus, Daniel?
I mean, customer success is always important. It's at the core of our business. I always talk about we always need to do three things. We need to build a great product and continue to innovate. We need to continue to focus on customer success to have a low churn and make sure that customers love Upsales and get the value they need from Upsales. And we need to continue to build the sales organization and to hire more people to the sales team. So I think a lot of focus is on continue to expand the organization and hiring more people to be able to grow even faster in the future.
Is it difficult finding the right people?
I mean, we have a high standard, and we want to be like the 90th percentile when it comes to everything we do. So obviously that's a small portion of the market. You can it's a small talent pool where you can find the people you need. I think we're doing a good job, but it's hard work every day. But I think we are doing a good job in that area.
Speaking of hard work, what would you say is the biggest challenge you're facing right now as a company?
I mean, the biggest challenge is always to continue growing the team, and finding talent and finding great people that wants to do the hard work we're doing at Upsales. So yeah, I think that has always been the challenge, and as we grow, I think a lot of our success can be attributed to the strong culture we have at Upsales, and I think that's something very important to retain as we grow and become a bigger organization.
Finally, Daniel, where do you hope to see Upsales in, let's say, 5 years?
Yeah, so I mean, I think in many aspects we've only just scratched the surface of all the opportunities that's available for us as a company. I mean, we have a great product. We win more often than we lose when we go head to head to our really big competitors. But we still have a really small market share. So yeah, I hope to see a lot bigger company within 5 years.
Thank you very much for joining me today, Daniel, and good luck moving forward.
Thank you.